Hello everybody, this is making learning Chinese easy, and follow me. I will help you to learn Chinese in the easiest and fastest way. And today, let's look at this conversation. Now follow me. I've got new news on life. 痊愈后，我感到心情更愉快，生命更有活力呢。痊愈后，我感到心情更愉快，生命更有活力呢。Here's to your health. 为你的健康干杯！为你的健康干杯！ Oh, thanks. Oh, 谢谢。It looks like you just won the jackpot. 你看上去像中了头等奖似的。你看上去像中了头等奖似的。I am really on cloud nine. The bar is wonderful. 我真的非常开心，我真的非常开心。I'm very happy. 这个酒吧很棒，这个酒吧很棒。So you want to come back again next Friday? 那么你下周五还来吗？那么你下周五还来吗？Yes, 是的。Okay, everybody, this is today's conversation. Now, let's go to practice this conversation. Here we go.
痊愈后，我感到心情更愉快，生命更有活力了。
为你的健康干杯！
哦，谢谢。你看上去像中了头等奖似的。
我真的非常开心，这个酒吧很棒。
那么，你下周五还想来吗？
是的。Okay, everybody, this is today's conversation. Now, if you like this conversation, don't forget to practice and give me a like. Now, here we go. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.